السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our lesson today is talking about applications of ratio and proportion also, but the second part of the application, which is the proportional division. So we started at the first lesson what the meaning of the proportion and what the difference of proportion and ratio and the difference between proportion and ratio. After that, we took the first application from the applications of the proportion. We have three applications here. The first application is the drawing scale. The second application is what we have to study right now. It's the proportional division. And the third one in the next time, which is the percentage. Actually, we studied the percentage in Junior 6 also, but we will study it a bit more. Let's talk about the first example in our lesson today. Answer with me, يا عبد الرحمن محمد عادل. So example, a man wants to divide 1,200 pounds between two persons in the ratio of 2 to 1. What's the share of each? So firstly, what we have to do firstly is that we have to write the first person, okay? 2 as a ratio, the second person, okay? What the ratio of the first person actually is 2, and the second? 1. What about this number? This number belongs to the first person, the second person, or both?
For both.
Both. Then we have to add another section. It's called the sum. The sum of what the first and the second person have. They have together what? 1,200. But first,
Yes. The sum of them is 3.
Yes, we have to add the ratios, which are 3, and below the 3, we will put the actual sum in the question, which is 1,200. Okay, so again, the first section is for the first person, and the second section is for the second person, and there is an extra section, I call it the sum, because 1,200 is the sum of the two persons together. And then after that, I added the ratios. The first ratio is 2 and the second ratio is 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Below the sum, there is the actual sum that was in the question. And right now, we have to get the x and we have to get the y. What is the value of x? The value of x is the value of what the first person had actually from the total amount of money that they have together, 1,200 pounds. And the second part, which is y, is the amount of money from this amount, which is 1,200, that the second person have. So if we calculated x, this means what? That we calculating what the first person has. So how can we get the x? It's something like
2 times 1,200 over 3.
Yes, it's something like, if we want to get x, get rid of y. So right now, make a cross multiplication between the other numbers. 2 times what?
2 times 1,200 equal
2
to
times this divided this. 2 times this divided this. So it's 2 times 1,200 over 3. What the calculator you can get
2 times 1,200 equal 2,400.
Okay, you can do it by your mind, but by the calculator is more easier. It's 800 pounds. If you wanna do it by your mind, then 12 divided 3 equals 4. And there are 2 zeros. 2 times 4 equals 8, and bring down the 2 zeros. That's it. Any problem?
200 minus.
Yes, 2,400 divided 3, 800. Excellent. 24 divided 3, 8, and bring down the 2 zeros.
بطريقة تانية، احنا ممكن نعملها بطريقة تانية.
Yes, we can do it by many ways.
100 divided by 3 equal 400. 400 times 2 equal 800. So the first person, or يعني x equal 800. And 400 times 1 equal 400. So the second person, or y equal 400.
Yes, excellent. And this is called the value of the part way. And this is another way to solve the same question. There are many ways to solve the same question, but actually, in all of the session, we will use only one way. We will use only one way, the way that I solved this question. But we can solve it by many ways. We can solve it by many ways. For not interrupting or something like that, I'll use only one way for solving all of the questions. This way. So how can you get the y? The y is what the second person has, which is right now we will delete the section of the first person because we are calculating the second person and make a cross multiplication again. It's 1 times 1200 over 3. It's 1 times 1200 over 3. With the calculator you can do it, or without the calculator it's 400. And another one can tell me, Mister, I can get it by another way. They are both together have 1,200 pounds, and the first was 800, and the second actually is the rest. 1,200 minus what the first has gives you the second half. So 1,200 minus 800 gives you the value of the second part, which is 400.
مستر، احنا ممكن نصرحها ونعمل التلاتة في 1200 ونحسب الباقي times 2 1.
Yes, it works. Another way, you can do that 1,200 divided 3, which is 400. So the 400 you can multiply by 2, gives you 800, the value of the first part. The 400, which is you get from the division here, you can multiply by 1, gives you the 400, which is the value of the second part. And this is called the value of the part way. You can do it by another way, many ways. But all of the session I said before, we will solve only by this way. Yes, Weiss?
Mister, is it possible to use calculators in the
Yes, you can. You can this year use a calculator.
Mister, my calculator is like very, very small.
Actually, there is one better. This is the name of the calculator that you can apply. FX 991 ES plus.
Yeah, I know that.
Yes,
مستر هو ينفع تقولي بس هي ايه الطريقة عشان نحل المسألة عشان دخلت متأخر.
Okay, so many questions like that. I'll repeat it again. Aziye. No voice. Be focused with me. Farida, if it is difficult, let's take another one to make it easier. Okay? Read the question, Farid. A man wants to divide this amount of money. So, could you tell me, Farida, this amount is for the two persons together? We have two people. The first has 7 parts, and the second has 3 parts. So, this amount of money, which is 3,600, related to the first, the second, or both together? 3,600 is for the first one, or the second one, or both together? Both together. Excellent. So what can I do right now to get the share of each one? I need to get the share of each one. So I write the first person to the second person to their sum. Why their sum? Because this amount is for both together. It's the sum that they have together. So I'll put the sum. What's the ratio of the first? 7. What's the ratio of the second?
Hello.
I'm hearing you a bit, yes, yet, but your voice is still low. Averida, what's the ratio of the second?
3.
3. So right now, the first step is to add them together. 7 plus 3,
10.
10. So write the 10 here. What's below the 10? The actual sum that was in the question. What's the actual sum? Yes, put it here, below the 10. Write x, write y, and right now we are calculating the value of x and we calculating the value of y. This is a question. He needs what the value of x and what the value of y. So let's calculate the x firstly. X is the share of what? The share of the first or the second? X means what? The share of the first or the share of the second?
First.
The share of the first. And y means what? The share of what?
Second.
That's it. If you want to get the share of the first, get rid of the second section. It's look like you aren't seeing the second section. You aren't seeing the second section. Let it like that. Delete it. Then it's what times what?
7 times 3,000.
Yes, divided 10. Then you can write it like that. 7 times 3600 divided 10. That's it. Do it with the calculator. Fraction 7 times 3660 over 10. 2520 with the calculator. LE. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
If you want to get the share of the second, you can do it by 2 ways. You can subtract the whole from the first part, gives you the second part. Or you can apply the cross multiplication again with the second section right now. So I deleted the first section because we are calculating the second section. It's 3 times what?
3,000.
Over what?
3.
No. This time is this over this. Over 10. Okay? With the calculator, you can do it. 3 times 3600 over 10, which is 1080. Actually, to check your answer, add them together. Let's add them together. 2520 plus 1080 gives you the actual sum. Yes, it's the actual sum, so we are correct. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Oh.
Any problem?
No.
Thanks. So again, if you want to calculate the first section, get rid of the second section and make a cross multiplication. 7 times 3600 over 10. Again, 7 times 3600 over 10. If you want to calculate the second section, get rid of the first section. Then it's 3 times 3600 over 10. And so on. Okay?
حضرتك سامعني كده؟
Yes. It's better right now.
وانا مستر يعني مش فاهم أوي.
Okay. I'll solve many questions again. I'll let you to solve another one.
Actually, you can use with another way, like to 10 times what equals 3,000.
Yes. It works also. By any way. Can do it by any way. Even I need the right answer.
I think I'm very I don't understand very much this one.
This way again.
Yeah.
We'll repeat it. But after the prayer. Right now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Start your video, please. Hi, Yusuf Al Hussein.
نعم يا مستر.
How are you?
الحمد لله.
There was a nice background behind you before. You deleted it. Let's complete. Seen what a nice cut shirt you are sitting in front of me with. Get another shirt. Don't sit in front of me by a cut shirt or by a short. Let's complete. So Firstly, let's revise the two questions that we solved before from getting the session late or something like that, or have a problem with. In the first question, we want to divide this number, which is 1200, among the first and the second person. So I did the first section, the second section, and the sum, which is the amount of money that we was distributing among, which is 1200. I wrote the ratio 2 to 1. I added the two ratios because this is a sum question. In the next part of the session, we will take a different questions. There is a question, and instead of the sum, we will write difference. Then right there, we will subtract the two ratios. But here in the sum question, we are adding the two ratios. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And below the 3, the actual sum, which is 1200. And then if we want to get the first share, it's 2 times 1200 over 3. The second share is 1 times 1200 over 3. And the same here. The first share is 7 times 3600 over 10. And the second 3 times 3600 over 10. And so on. You can do it by the calculator. Let's go for the next. Example 2. If you want to answer the next, raise your hand, please. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Read the question.
108 LE were divided among 3 persons in the ratio of 2 to 3. Find the share
So
of each.
this amount, we want to divide it among the 3. That's right.
Yes.
Then it belongs to what? The first, the second, the third, or all of them?
All of them.
Then it's a sum question also. How many person you have? First and second, or there are 3?
3.
3. Then I'll write the first person. Okay? After that, the second person. After that, the third person. Could you tell me, please, Tala, was after the third section? There is what here? Like the previous question. Is a sum question. Why? Because this amount the sum of 3 persons together. Okay? Firstly, we have to write the ratio. What's the ratio? It's 2
2 to 3 to 4.
to 3 to 4. And the next step is to add all of these ratios. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 and 4, 9. Write the 9 here. What's below the 9 is the actual sum, which is 108. Right now, it's a bit easier. It's the easier thing, the question. How can you get the x? Which is the first person share. Make a cross multiplication. If you want to get this part, get rid of this part and get rid of this part. Make a cross multiplication. 2 times
9 over 108.
2 times 108 over
9.
2 times 108 over 9.
9.
Again, why? The second person. The second person share. So the second person share is what? We are calculating the second person share. So this by this. 3 times, no, I'm asking about the second. 3 times
3 times 108 over 9.
3 times 108 over 9. What about Z, which is the third person share?
4 over
Yes,
times
the third section with the sum. 4 times
100
over
9.
That's it. Again, if we want to get the x, it's 2 times 108 over 9. Y, 3 times 108 over 9. Z, 4 times 108 over 9. So we are changing only this value. So right now it's 2, then 3, then 4. Because this is x, this is y, this is z. 108 over 9, the same 108 over 9, the same 108 over 9. Then it's 2 times 108 over 9 divided 9. Sorry, 2 times 108 over 9. 3 times 108 over 9. 4 times 100 over 9. And that's it. You can get it by the calculator. This is the calculator.
The first one, 24.
2 times 108 over 9, 24. LE. So only I'll go back by the arrows. Only I'll go back by the arrows. And then I'll delete the 2 and write instead of the 2, 3. 3 times 108 over 9, 36. Go back by the arrow. Go back. Delete the 3, write 4. It's 48. That's it. So to check your answer, is your answer is correct or no, add these numbers together. Their sum must be what? 108. If you want to check your answer, if you want to check if you are correct or no, add these 3 numbers together. 24 plus 36 plus 48. It should be 108. If it's anything other than 108, you are not correct. You have a mistake. But if we add them like that, 24 plus 36 and 48, the answer is 108 actually, like this. So we are actually correct.
Okay.
It's correct. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any problem?
No, thank you.
Ahmed ya Shawqi.
It's clear.
Why you're raising? You want to answer? Get the next. Okay. It's your turn. Let's see. You can do it?
Yes.
So I'm waiting. What's the first step?
The first step is
First person.
the first person is three.
Second person.
Second person is 2. The third person is 1.
This is the ratio 3. You mean that? 3 to 2 to 1. I'm asking you, ya Ahmed ya Shawqi. Is it a sum question? Can I write a sum here? Yes. Why? Because this amount belongs to what? This amount belongs to the first, so I have to write it below the first. Or it belongs to the second, so I have to write it below the second. Or it belongs to the third, so I have to write it below the third. Or it belongs to the sum, so I have to write it below the sum.
Below to the sum.
Yes, so it's below the sum. What is above 7,200 is the sum of the ratios. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Write 6 here. This is the sum section. Can you get the share of the first, the share of the second, the share of the third?
The share of the first is
Wait. All right, firstly, first share, okay?
okay.
So the first with the sum. What times what over what?
3 times 7,200 over 6.
That's enough. Why? The second share. Wait a minute. This part with this part. What times what?
2 times 7,200 over 6.
So the third.
The third person.
Quickly. Why are you so quickly? I'm poor beside you. Wait a bit.
Okay. 1 times 7,200 over 6. أول واحدة هتكون 3 times
the calculator. That's it. So you can do it without the calculator. 72 divided 6 equals 12. I think it's 12. It's correct?
Yeah.
Yes, it's 12. And bring the 2 zeros. 3 times 12, 36. And there are the 2 zeros. So right now it's 1,200 times 2, which is 2,400. 1,200 times 1, which is 1,200. If you add the three values together, you have to get what?
LE.
Yes, the sum of these three values should be what?
7,200.
Let's check. 3600, 2400, there is 2, plus 1200. Oh, we are correct. Yes, congratulations. Faithful Allah. Thanks. Mute yourself.
Okay.
So, yeah, Mariam, it's a difficult question. Take care. Write the question. Sorry, read the question.
Okay, a piece of land is I
Wait.
don't see.
Yes, that's
A piece of land is divided between two brothers in ratio
so.
of
Take care. Take care. There is a piece. There is a piece of land as divided among what? Among two brothers. So the first thing that I have to write, the first brother,
first brother to
and
the
then
second brother.
the second brother. Okay, wait for me. Again, like Ahmed Shawqi, wait for me. There's a 3 to 5. If the elder brothers, take care, if the elder brother's share exceeds the younger brother's share by 20. If I asked you, Mariam, you exceeds me by 3, this means what? If that means that our sum is 3 or our difference is 3?
Our difference 3.
Our difference is 3. So if I tell you, Mariam, you are exceeding me by 3, this means that the difference between us is 3, not the sum. Then it's a difference question right now. So the next section that I have to write, it's not the sum section. It's not correct. It's a different section. It's a different section. Why it's a different section? Because the number that we have, which is the 20 square meters, and the difference between the share of the first brother than the second brother. Because the elder one exceeds the younger one by 20. So the difference between them is 20, not the sum of them is 20. Not the sum of them is 20. The difference between each one is 20. Okay?
Yeah.
The difference between them is 20.
So 5 minus
So
3.
right now, we don't have to add them. Right A is not correct like that. To subtract them. The elder minus the smaller, or the younger. We have to subtract the greater minus the smaller. Don't tell me it's 3 minus 5, mister, which is negative 2 is not correct. Start by the bigger. Start by the bigger. 3 minus 5 is not correct. It's the 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Right now it's correct. So what's below 2, you know? What is belong to the difference itself? The question, which is
20.
yes, the 20. The difference itself in the question, which is 20. Right now we need the first brother's share and the second brother's share. Could you tell me how can I get the x? Which is the first
Yes, we will need,
brother share?
3 times 20
Yes.
over 2.
3 times 20 over 2. What the second brother share?
5 times 20 over 2.
Yes, 5 times 20 over 2. You can do it by the calculator or by your mind.
30 and
By,
30.
by my mind, it's a bit easier. 3 times 10, 30. 10 times 5, 50. What 30? 30 square meters. We are calculating a land area. We are calculating a land area. So here in the question, he wrote it's 20 square meters, okay? He wrote in the question it's 20 square meters. Then this is 30 square meters, and this is 30 square meters. If you want to check your answer, subtract them together right now. Get the difference between the actual results. What's the difference?
50 minus 30 equals
50 minus 30 gives you the 20, which was in the question. That's it.
yes.
We are correct.
The total area of the land.
Yes, the next thing that we have to focus about is that he is asking about the total area of the land, not the share of each one. So the actual area is the sum of the two shares. The actual area is the sum of the two shares. So what's the first share? 30. What's the second share? 50. So the total area equals 30
plus 50
plus
equals
50,
80 square meters.
which is 80 square meters. This is the answer. Any problem? Yeah, Omar. Read the question.
Okay. If the ratio between Ahmed and Adam shares is 5 to 7, and the difference between them,
It's a keyword. Look, we have two types of the questions right now. We solve the question like a sum. We solve another question like a difference. This question is sum question or a different question? Which one? It's a sum or a different question? Difference question. So we have Ahmed firstly, and then Adham, and then the sum or the difference between them? The difference or the sum?
The difference.
The difference. Excellent. What's the share of Ahmed and Adam?
Ahmed is 5 and Adam is 7.
The difference means to add them or to subtract them?
Subtract.
Yes, 7 minus 5 or 5 minus 7?
7 minus 5
Equals. Yes,
two.
so write the 2 here. There. What's below the 2 is the actual
700.
difference in the question, which is 700. The actual difference in the question. Get it here. 700. Okay? Right now, can you calculate Ahmed's share, which is X? It's what times what over what?
5 times 2 over
No, no,
5
cross multiplication.
Okay, 5 times 700 over 2.
Yes, excellent. What was Adam's share?
7 times 700 over 2.
Which is y. Yes, right now we are calculating Adam's share, then it's a 7 times 700 over 2. You can do it with the calculator. Get the calculator, okay? Make a fraction. 5 times 700. Go down 2. It's 1,750. It was what? It's money or what? It's money, correct? It's 700 pounds. Then it's money here also. Pounds. Okay? And 7, 2,450 LE. And the difference or the sum must be 700. The difference or the sum?
Difference.
The difference. Then I'll subtract these values together. 2450 minus 1750. Is it 700?
Yes.
Congratulations, we are correct.
Okay.
That's it. Abdurrahman, go studying. Okay. Yes, Salman. We said at the first we said at the first of the session that we can solve this question by many ways. Solve it by any way you want. Only I need the correct answer. And not to interrupt your colleagues, I'll only solve by only one way. I'll solve by only one way. All of the session, I'll solve only by one way. Salman, answer the next.
Okay.
Firstly, let's take it in another page. Yeah, Yusuf Ahmed, you wanna solve a question?
Yes.
Okay. Let's solve it together.
Invested in a business and
So we have We have two persons, Salwa and Nagwa. Firstly, I'll write Salwa and Nagwa. Okay? And then they invested in a business and they have a deal that Salwa's share would be half Nagwa's share. Then it's 2-1 or 1-2.
1-2.
1-2. But be focused. He started by Salwa. Then you have to start by Salwa. What the ratios have, then it's 1-2. If he wrote in the question Nagwa firstly, then you have to put in the ratio Nagwa firstly. You got that?
Yes.
Complete. They make a profit 6,300. Could you tell me, Yusuf, 6,300 is for Salwa's share or Nagwa's share or both together?
Both together.
Both together. Then it's a sum question. What's here?
6,300.
No, firstly we have to add the ratios. And below the addition, 6,300. Right now this is X, this is Y. Could you tell me what is Salwa's share?
Salwa's share. 1 times 6,300.
Over?
Over 3.
What about Nagwa's share?
Nagwa 2 times 6,300 over 3.
Super. Thanks. With the calculator you can do it. I can do it by my mind. Who can do it? Who can do it by his mind?
Me.
Tell me. This with this.
Yes.
63 divided 3, 21. And 2 zeros. Correct? Then it's 2100. 63 divided 3, 21. And 2 zeros. 2 times 21.
42.
And 2 zeros. 4,200. That's it. Then what is Salwa's share? This number. What is Nagwa's share? This number. If you add these two numbers together, what should be the answer?
Second.
6,300.
6,300.
If we add these two values together, the answer should be 6,300. Let's check. 2100 plus 4200. Yes, it's 6,300. If it is in any other number, so we aren't correct. We have a mistake. Right now, if it's the same, it's 6,300, so we are correct. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. يا أويس. يا أويس. يا أويس. يا أويس. What about Ruqayya and Razan? They are fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Read.
Example 6, 3% invested
3 persons invested in a business.
The first invested 250,000, and the second 200,000.
So it's so easy. It's so easy. Right now, how many persons are there? 3.
3.
Right? The first, the second, and the third. He gives you any ratio? Does he give you any ratio?
No.
No, there is no ratio. Then what the first?
2,000.
What the second?
200,000.
What the third?
300,000.
That's it. Let it like that. What the profit? The profit is the sum or the share of the first, the second, the third?
The profit was like for price.
And the profit here belongs to the first? If the profit belongs to the first,
No, not
belongs to the second,
all of them.
belongs to the third? No.
Yeah, no.
So for whom? It belongs for all of them. Then it's a sum question.
Yeah.
I'll write a sum here.
Go ahead.
Add these ratios. Actually, you can simplify them. If you want to simplify them, simplify them. A1 tells me, Mister, I can delete the zeros with each other. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Another one, another one, another one. But you can delete these two zeros because there is no zero here. Don't tell me, Mister, I'll delete this zero by this zero. It's not correct because there is no zero here. You can delete only 4 zeros. With 4 zeros, with 4 zeros. You can write it like that. 25 to 20 to 30. To make it a bit easier. Like that, I simplified them. But if you didn't simplify them, it's correct also. Actually, the numbers will be big. Take a time, write in the calculator and so on. If you simplified it, it's a bit easier. But if you didn't simplify it, it's correct also.
But it's more hard.
Yes. Also, you can simplify again. Divide by 5. Divided by 5, 5. Divided by 5, 4. Divided by 5, 6. If you didn't do the simplifying, it's correct also. Okay?
So the sum of these
The
numbers,
sum here is the sum of the last.
9 and 6 is 15.
Yes, it's 9. 9 and 6. 15. I'll write 15 here. And this is empty and this is empty.
Okay.
What below 15? The actual profit.
Yeah.
150,000.
So I do it with another way. Like
you are doing like dividing both together.
Yeah.
And
Like
then the value are multiplying by this.
150,000.
That's correct.
Divided 15.
But let us solve it by the first way. Okay. What's the value of x?
X is okay. So it's I think it's
5 times
150 times 5 over 15.
150,000 over 15. What value of y?
The value of y is 4 times 150,000 over 15.
What's the value of z?
6 times 150,000 over 15.
That's it. Okay. Actually, this with this is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. 5 times 10,000, 50,000. 4 times 10,000, 40,000.
50,000, 40,000,
60,000.
60,000.
Could you tell me the sum of these three values should be what?
So it's 19. Yeah, it's the same number as.
Yes,
so
it
it's
should be 150,000. Let's check. It's 50
Yes,
plus 40 plus 60. It's 150, and the sound is the same. Okay,
Okay.
that's correct. LE, LE, LE. That's it. Mister, could I do it like that without any simplifying? Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Add these values together without any simplifying. It's correct also. Okay. So 250 plus 200 plus 300. Actually, it's 500 and 250, 750. Do it like that. This times this over this. Let's check. 250,000 times 150,000 over 750,000. Oh, congratulations. That's correct. It's the same. Both are correct. You can do it without simplifying. You can do it after simplifying. Both are correct. Is it clear? Is it clear, Uwais?
Oh, okay. I thought that I closed my mic. Okay, yeah.
It's clear.
Clear as a clear as water.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 25 to 20 to 30. Divided 5, it's 5 to 4 to 6. Both are correct. Right now, here it's, I think, 15. It was correct. 15, yes. So I need to do something here. Something like let it like that. Copy. Paste. Okay. Let it like that. Right now, it's gonna be 250,000 times 150,000 over 750,000. And the same. And the same. Only we have to change this part. This is 200,000 and this is 300,000. Both are correct. You can do it like that and you can do it like that. This way is correct without any simplifying. This way is correct if we did it after simplifying. So here we make a cross multiplication for these two parts only, for these two lines. 5 times 150,000 over 15. 4 times 150,000 over 15. 6 times 150,000 over 15. And here we started from the first step. $250,000 times 150,000 over 750,000 and so on. Both gives the same answer. Any problem? The day after tomorrow, ya Marwan. ديما ديما دمدومة ديما ديما. Answer يا ديما.
Okay. Maher, Said, and Yusuf invested a business in a trade. Maher invested
You were sad by the snake name? If I said you Dima Damduma, Dima Damadum makes you sad?
No.
Really? You are happy?
Yes.
Okay. Meher, so this is Meher. Saeed and Yusuf.
And Yusuf.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the value of Meher?
Meher is 60,000.
Saeed.
And Saeed for 45,000 and Yusuf 75,000.
Let it like that. By the end of the year, they incurred a loss. They have a loss. Then this loss for the first or the second or the third, or they are three together.
They are three together.
So it's a sum question. You want to simplify? I'll not simplify. Add them together. Okay?
Okay.
60 plus 45 plus 75. It's 180 and 3 zeros. Don't forget the 3 zeros.
Okay.
And below the 180 is the actual loss, which is 27,600. Okay?
Yes.
This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Could you tell me what the share of Maher from the loss?
Okay. 60 times
60,000 times 27,600 over
180,000.
That's it. Okay, get the calculator. Write 60,000 time. Is it 60,000? Yes, 4 zeros.
times
2600.
7,600
1
divided by
80, 3 zeros. Yes, it's 9,200 LE. Okay.
Okay.
Could you tell me what is the share of Saeed?
It's gonna be 45,000 times 27,600 divided by 180,000.
Okay, I'll change only 45 here. 6,900 LE. Share of Yusuf.
Okay, it's gonna be 75,000 times 27,600 over 180,000.
Okay, at 75 here, which is 11,500. Their sum should be equals what?
Yeah, like the 27.
The total loss 9200 plus 6900, or it's 9669 plus 11500. It's only 0. Yes, it's correct. We are correct. يا رقية. رقية.
أيوة حضرتك يا مستر.
Let's get the same. Okay. You know, يا رقية, if a man died, what happens? A man passed away, leaving an inheritance of 60,000 pounds. This is the money that he have as alive. If he died, this money goes to whom? Goes to his wife, his sons, and his daughters. That's right. To be distributed among his wife, 2 sons, and a daughter. Could you tell me, يا رقية, what the difference between the share of the son and the share of the daughter? Is the son take from the inheritance the same of the daughter, or the son is greater than the daughter?
No.
The son takes greater than the daughter, correct? By how?
نعم.
The son is double the daughter, or it's half the daughter, or it's quarter the daughter?
المفروض the son has يعني double the
2
daughter.
times the daughter, double the daughter. This is the most important thing in this question. So here, the first thing that you have to know is that the son is twice the daughter. Okay? So what is the ratio between the son and the daughter? It's 2 to 1 or 1 to 2?
2
2 to 1.
1.
This is a very important thing. You know what is the value of the wife? The wife takes what from the inheritance?
المفروض
The eighth.
8
The eighth. The wife takes 1/8 of the inheritance.
أيوة.
So first of all, we have to give the wife her money. Firstly, before dividing the rest among the sons and the daughter. So firstly, the first thing that we are doing in this case is to give the wife her money. Firstly, what is the section, what is the part, what is the money that the wife have to get? It's 1/8 of all of the inheritance. So the wife takes only 1/8 times the whole inheritance, which is 600,000 pounds. So firstly, we are taking out the wife's part, or the wife's share. And this is the first thing. So get out the wife's share before distributing the rest. What the wife's share? It's 1/8 from the total inheritance. Then it's 1/8 times what?
Times 6.
Do it with the calculator. 1/8 times 6 0 0 0 0 0. It's what? 7 5 and 3 zeros. So what is the share of the wife? 75,000 pounds. So firstly, before anything, we will take out from the whole of the money 75,000 pounds. I will give it to the wife. So that we will call the wife. You are the wife of the man that who died. Take 75,000. That's your share, and the rest we'll divide among the sons and the daughter. What the rest? What the rest? So the step that we have to calculate the rest. If we took 75,000 from the whole inheritance, what's the rest? What's the remainder? What remains? We took 75,000. Then it's 600,000 minus 75,000. Okay? 600,000 minus 75,000 is going to be 525,000 pounds. LE. This is the share of what? The sons and the daughter. How many sons are there and how many daughter?
2 sons and 1
Yes.
daughter.
So this amount of money, which is the rest, after we gave the wife her share, we have a remaining money, a remaining inheritance. What's the remaining? What remains? 525,000. This amount of money, 525,000, we will distribute it among 2 sons and a daughter. 2 sons and a daughter. Correct?
أيوة.
And the son takes what? للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
أيوة.
The son takes double of the daughter. The son takes double of the daughter. Someone told me, yes sir, why the daughter didn't? Why the daughter don't get her the double and the son get only 1 share? That's because the son is the one who is paying the money for everything. The one he works after married. The one he works and one he should pay for the family is not the daughter. Correct? The man he works, the man he is allowed to pay the money for the family and something like that. Correct? So he have to get the double of the wife. But in many other cases, the daughter takes more than the son. In other cases, the daughter takes more than the son. But in other cases, not in the case of the inheritance of the father, if you are distributing the inheritance of the father among the son and the son takes greater than the daughter. But in other cases, something like a daughter and son are getting the share from their brother, their sister, something like that. The daughter may take greater than the son. Okay? But in other cases, this case, the son should take double of the daughter. So right now, what's the ratio of the son and the daughter? It's 2 to 1. How many sons are there? 2 sons. Then the first and the second and the only 1 daughter. This takes 2, and this takes 2, and this takes 1. Correct? We have 2 sons, the first son and the second son. And only 1 daughter. Can you tell me, it's a sum question? Or it's a difference question? Or it's what? This number, I'll put it where? I'll put it below the son, or below the other son, or below the daughter, or below the sum of them. This amount of money belongs to what? Belongs to all of them. The 2 sons and the daughter. Then belongs to all of them. Then I'll make a sum part, a sum section. I'll add all of the ratios. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 1, 5. This is a 5. And this part, which we will distribute among the sons and the daughters, I'll write it here. Don't tell me, mister, here I'll write this part. It's not correct. This part belongs to the wife. And don't tell me, mister, I'll write here this part. It's not correct. Because this part belongs to the two sons, the one and the daughter.
Yes.
Here we are talking about only two sons and only the daughter. What's the share of the son and the daughter alone without the wife? This part. This part belongs to the sons alone with daughter, without the wife. This ratio is between the sons and the daughter. There is no wife here. Then we are taking the share of the wife, or the share of the sons and the daughter, or all of the share. No, mister, this is the ratio between the sons and the daughter. Then we have to get the amount of the money that we will distribute among the sons and the daughter only, without the wife. Okay?
Okay.
5, 2, 5, 3 zeros. This is X and this is Y. Why, mister, you didn't write YZ? Because X here is the same X here. Okay? This is sun and this is the same sun. What this one takes, this one will take. Both are like each other. This is X and this is the same X because they are both suns. This is sun and this is sun. This is X and this is X. You can fit only one X from them. The value of the first sun is the same of the value of the second sun. Then it's X and X. Okay?
Okay.
So the value of the sun, sun's share, 2 times
2 times 5, 2, 5, 3, 0.
over
Over 1.
over 5. This
Oh,
time is this over this. Okay?
okay.
Over 5. Again, it's 2 times 5 to 5, 3 zeros over 5. Tell me the daughter's share. So it's what times what?
1 times 5, 2, 5, 0, 3 zeros.
Over?
Over 5.
That's it. Do it with the calculator. Fraction, 2 times 5 to 5, 0, 0, 0, over 5. It's 2, 1, 0, and 3 zeros. Right now, also, it's 1 times 5 to 5, 0, 0, 0, over 5. Is 105,000. LE. The addition of these two numbers should be the same of the sum of the sons and the daughter together. The sum should be like this sum. Okay? 210, 0, 0, 0 plus 105, 0, 0, 0. Oh, there is a mistake here. We did a mistake. What the mistake? We did a mistake. I wrote it correctly. 210, 3 zeros, 105. Yes, there is a mistake. Let's revise. 2 times 2. It's 525, not 252. It's 525. 0, 0, 0 over 5. It's 210,000. Okay, this is correct. If I wrote 1, it's 105. So let's check this part. It's 1 over 8 times 600,000, 75,000. And it's correct. 600,000 minus 75,000. It's 525,000. 2 and 2, 4, 4 and 1, 5. 2 times this over 5. 1 times this over 5. 210, 3 zeros. Plus 105, 3 zeros. There is a problem. There is a problem. Let me check it. It's 525. It's correct. What's the problem? It's correct. Right now it's correct. Why while we're adding them it's not correct? Yeah, I got it. I got it. Who got it?
Why?
We have two sons, not only one son. We have two sons. Then this number must be repeated. It's 210000 for the first son. Another 210000 for the second son. And the daughter, which is 105,000. Yes, it's correct. Correct. We have two sons, not only one son.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, Rook. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Start your video. Let's go for the next. The same question that we solved before. So, who needs to answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Asr or Riyad? So, Asr didn't answer. So, ya Ahmed, ya Shawq, start your video. Answer me, ya Ziyad. Aman passed away, leaving inheritance for 480,000 pounds to be distributed among his wife. Firstly, what's the share of the wife? 1/8 times the total. Okay, you got it? 1/8 times the total, you can do it by the calculator. Actually, it's gonna be 1 and 6, then it's 60,000. Okay?
Okay.
You know? Any problem?
No.
After that, we have to calculate the rest, which is gonna be divided among the sons and the daughters. The rest was 480,000 minus the share of the wife, which is 60,000. Got it?
Equals
Or 8, 3 zeros
420,000.
minus 60 and 3 zeros. It's 420,000 pounds. This share is gonna be divided among how many sons?
3.
So among his 2 sons and 2 daughters. Okay, so we have son, then another son, then a daughter, then another daughter. Their sum is 420,000. The sum of the share of the sons and the daughters is 420,000 pounds. This is the share of the wife. Okay, so we don't care about the share of the wife because we are calculating the ratios between the sons and the daughters. The son is 2, the son is 2, the daughter is 1, the daughter is 1, so the sum is 6. Add them together, 2 and 2, 4, and 1, 5, and 1, 6. And down the 6, 420,000, which is the share of all of the sons and the daughters. So we need to calculate the share of each son and each daughter. Okay? So the share of the first son equals what?
420,000 times 2/6.
So the share of the second son is going to be the same, correct?
Aye.
And the same, 420,000 times 2/6. What's the share of the daughter?
420,000 times 1/6.
Yes, it's times 1/6. What's the share of the second daughter?
The same.
Excellent. What's the answer of the son? It's gonna be 7 and 4 zeros, 7 times 14 and 4 zeros. LE. This is the same, correct? Here it's 70,000 times 1, which is 70,000. Actually, it's half the son, because the daughter is half the son, correct? Add them together, it's gonna be 420,000. Right now, we got the mistake of the last time. I wrote it each one alone, not to go on the same mistake.
Yes.
Yes, it's correct. Okay.
Okay.
In the next, يا أحمد يا شوقي.
Mr. Anthony, a minor studded metal alloy containing three metals
The
of
man is
silver.
the man who is searching about the metals inside the ground. You know,
What?
a miner is the man who is searching about the metals inside the ground.
I know.
Okay, extracted
Containing
from the ground metal alloy containing three metals: silver
tin and copper
and
in
copper.
the ratio of 1/9.
This is 1/9, this is 1/6, and this is 1/4. Okay, and the total mass, let it the sum. Is it clear? Add
sum
them
is
with the calculator. 1/9 plus 1/6. Yes, you can do it with many ways. The sum with the calculator is 19/36. Okay? Clear?
okay. Clear.
We need this. We need this. We need this. And we have the actual sum, which is 285 grams.
285
You know,
grams.
it's a black metal. It's a black alloy. Okay? Its weight is 285 grams. And this black metal or this black alloy consists of three types of metals. We need to know what the weight of each type of these metals. Okay? You know? So the silver weight equals 1/9 times 285 over 19/36. Could you write it in the calculator?
Yeah.
I write firstly a fraction. Inside the fraction, I write another fraction. Then it's 1/9 times 285. Go down and write another fraction, which is 19/36. That's it, 60 grams. If we want the 10 weight, it's what? 1/6 times 285 over 19/36. The same. Only I'll chain the 9 into 6. It's 90 grams. The third, we can get it by subtracting these together from the 285. It's correct also. Okay? I can get it with the cross multiplication. Both are correct. Okay? It's 1/4 times what?
1/4 times 200
85 over 19/36. Only I'll change the 6 into 4. It's 135. Add them together.
مستر هما
If
كاتبين
the addition is 285, if the addition is 285, so we are correct. Let's check. 60 plus 90 plus 135. Oh, you're correct.
هو انت ملخبط الحاجات. هو الكوبر مش 1/4. الكوبر 1/9.
لا. No. He started
لا
with silver. He started with silver. Then silver takes the first ratio. Then the 10 takes the second ratio. Then the copper takes the third ratio. Okay?
أنا اتلخبطت.
Any problem?
No.
And finally, the last one. Whose turn? Anyone needs to answer? Voice. Okay.
But I answered the what?
The recipe contains of meat.
Mister, but I answered another time.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. This is 1/6.
This is the last question?
It's 1/7. It's 1/3 answers the question. I'll get another one.
So this is the last question or not?
And their sum. It's 270 grams. Add these numbers together. Okay,
So it's,
complete with me, Ahmed.
First
This
thing
is asking about the question is the last one or no.
اوكي انا اجيب على السؤال ده يا مستر.
Yes, answer 1 over 6 plus
Okay.
1 over 7 plus 1 over 3. It's 19 over 14, correct?
Okay.
Below here, 19 over 15, right what?
270 gram.
270. What the cross multiplication of the first type of the reset? The meat equals what?
Okay, it will be 1 over 6 multiplied by 270
Divided 9 over 14. Okay, it's 1 over 6 times 270 over another fraction 9 over 14. It's gonna be 70.
Okay.
70 grams.
And
What's the value of tomato?
tomato also 1 over 7 multiplied 270 divided 7
9 over 14. 9 over 14. Go back with the arrow. Only change the 6 into 7. It's 60.
Okay. 60.
And the onion?
The onion will be 1 over 3 multiply 270 divided 940.
Change the number into 3. Correct? It's 140.
Yes.
Add them together. Add them together to check
Okay.
your answer. 70 plus 60 plus 140. It's 270. Yes, we are correct. That's it. Any problem?
No.
Okay. So today we studied the proportional division. We have 3 types of question. The regular problem, in which he gives you the value of the pies for an example, and you need the value of the girls. Cross multiplication. If you give the sum, then you have to add the ratios. If you give the difference, then you have to subtract the ratios. You can simplify. You can do it without simplifying. And this is the problem of the inheritance, in which we took the value of the wife firstly, and we get the rest, and we distributed the rest among the boys and the girls. And we have here a very important question. Take care about it. If he gives you the perimeter of a rectangle, then it's a perimeter question, in which you have to apply the rule of the perimeter, which is length plus width times 2. So if he gives you the ratio between the length and the width, 2 to 3, don't add them together only. Don't tell me it's 2 plus 3 equals 5. No, it's not correct because it's a parameter. Then it's length plus width times 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 times 2, 10. And complete the question. If it is a parameter inside the triangle, then the parameter of the triangle is the sum of all of the sides. 2 plus 3 plus 5. But here it's length plus width, then times 2. Take care about these words. Double, twice, 2 times means the ratio 2 to 1. Treble, write 3 times, it's 3 to 1. If it is half, then it's 1 to 2. If it is quarter, 1 to 4. Third, 1 to 3, and so on. Okay, let's look for this question. Who knows? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you know. Shawqi. We have A to B to C. Take care, take care, take care. A to B to C. 3 to 2 to 4. And he gives you the difference between what and what?
The difference between C and B.
Okay, it's only C and B. Then you have to subtract C and B only. 4 minus 2.
I know the value of A.
Without the value of A. Without the value of A. Here, he gives you the difference between C and B. Then it's a difference question. But in the different question, you have to subtract only C and B. C and B only without A. Okay.
C and B. C and B.
Wait a
we
minute.
will
Wait a
subtract
minute. What's below 2?
2 below 2.
Here is the 20 itself.
20.
You can calculate now all of them. Look, take care. Someone tells me, Mister, we subtracted C and B only. So can we get the A? Yes, actually, we can get the A. Like what we did previous. You can get the A. You can get the A. The only difference is that we subtracted the C and the B only. Because he gives you C minus B only. So in the subtraction, subtract C and B only. But while calculating the values, you can calculate all of the values. You can calculate A, yes, 3 times 20 over 2. You can calculate B, yes, 2 times 20 over 2. And C, 4 times 20 over 2. And so on. He needs A. It's 3 times 20 over 2. 20 over 2, 10. 3 times 10, 30. Okay?
Okay.
Let's look for a question. Wait, mute yourself. Like this. A to B, 2 to 5. A equals 14. Then we have to put the A below the 14. Sorry, the 14 below the A. The 14 belongs to A. Then put it below E. Cross multiplication to get the value of B. Then B, 14 times 5 over 2. 7 times 5, 35. That's it. He gives you A plus P, then A to P to sum. 3 to 7 to 10, which is the sum, and below 40. A equals, take care, A equals 3 times 40 over 10. B equals 7 times 40 over 10. This is 4 times 7, 28. This is 4 times 3, 12. Is it 28? No. Is it 12? No. So what is the answer? He asking you about B minus A. Then get the value of B and subtract it from A. Then it's 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12 actually is gonna be 14. This is the correct answer. You got it? Is it clear? Again, we have the sum. Then it's a sum question. A equals 3 times 40 over 10. B equals 7 times 40 over 10. We get the value of A. We get the value of B. He needs what? He needs B minus A. 28 minus 12. That's it. Clear يا براء? What's the problem?
مستر مش 28 minus 12 equals 16 برضه مش 16.
16? Is it 16? Okay. 60. Don't worry. Is it clear right now? Excellent. And this question is the parameter. The parameter of the triangle. Who knows? If it is a parameter, then what should we do? We have to add the ratios. The first side to the second side to the third side. 3 to 4 to 5, and this is the sum. Because the parameter is the sum of the sides. 3 and 4, 7 and 5, 12. Pilot is 36. And you can get all of the values. You need the longest one. Who is an excellent student? Tell me what is the longest side? The first, the second, the third. The longest one. The longest one. It's what?
What?
What the longest side? Is it the first, the second, or the third? Actually, the third. You know why? Because the third has the biggest ratio. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is the longest, and this is the shortest. This is the shortest, and this is the longest. Okay, so the longest one equals 5 times 36 over 12. That's it. You can do it. Okay. Aman distributed كذا كذا, and the difference, it's a difference question. The ratio between Ahmed and Mustafa and Ahmed's share, it's a regular question. Ahmed and Hala joined the business, Ahmed invested, Hala invested, and the profit is some question. The smaller share, then the smaller share, which is the 18,000, it's below 2 or below 5. Actually, the smaller share, we have to put it below the 2, below the 5.
مستر أنا عندي حاجة.
I'm asking you. 18,000 below 2 or below 5?
5.
It's below 2. You know why? Because it's the small share. Which is smaller, 2 or 5?
2.
2. Then put it below 2 in cross multiplication. Okay? We have finished. And this is the same. Smaller. If it is a smaller, he needs the smaller share. And this amount is divided among them. Then this is a sum. Put 5. 120 down. He needs the smaller, which is 2. He needs the value of the number below the 2. It's 2 times 120 over 5. 36 fiddens divided is a sum question. Because all of the 36 belongs to both of them. It's divided among the two persons. Then it's a sum. Okay. So right now, we have finished. Take care about your homework. Take care about your quiz. You can get your grades from the sheet. Its link is on the description. And take care. If you didn't send the quiz, if you didn't send the homework, I'll send a message to your father and your mother, and you will know what will happen after that. Right now we have finished. مراويح. Any problem?